Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 2.2 of chapter Relation and Functions. So, let's solve our first question. In this question we have relation R having two values x and y, where relation between x and y is 3x minus y is equal to 0 and x and y belongs to set A. So let's solve this equation to get the value of x and y. So according to this equation, after transposing y to the right hand side, we will get 3x is equal to y, and by taking value of x is 1, we will get 3 into 1 equal to y, that is y is equal to 3. Similarly, after taking value of x equal to 2, we will get 3 into 2 equal to y, that is 6. After taking 3 in place of x, we will get y equal to 9. Now, after taking x is equal to 4, we will get y equal to 12. Now we will solve only up to 4, as we can see that element of set A is only up to 14. So if we solve further, that is after taking value of x equal to 5, we will get 15, which is not in our set, so we will not solve this equation. Now let's write this relation, that when we have x is equal to 1, value of y is equal to 3, and when we have x is equal to 2, we have value of y is equal to 6. Similarly, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Now write down its domain, codomain and range. So domain is the first value of any relation, that is in this question 1, 2, 3, 4 are the domain of this relation, and range is the second element of any relation, and in this question 3, 6, 9 and 12 are the range of this relation. Now what is codomain? So codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 14, that is all the value of A is codomain. As we Question 2. Define a relation R on the set N of natural numbers, where relation R having two values x and y, and relationship between x and y is y is equal to x plus 5, where x is a number less than 4 and x and y must belongs to N. Depict this relation using roster form and write down the domain and range. So in this question we have relation R, where we have two values x and y, and x is the number or counting number less than 4, where x and y belongs to set N. Now natural number less than 4 are 1, 2, 3. So if we put x is equal to 1, we will get y equal to x plus 5, that is 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Similarly, if we take value of x equal to 2, we will get value of y equal to 7, and if we take value of x is equal to 3, we will get value of y equal to 8. Now our relation in roster form will be 1 and 6, 2 and 7, 3 and 8. Now write down the domain and range. So we know first value of any relation are called domain. So here domain is 1, 2, 3, and second value of any relation are called range. So here range is 6, 7 and 8. Question 3. we have set A having element 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B having element 4, 6, 9. Now define relation R from A to B where we have two value x and y and the difference between x and y is odd and x must belongs to set A and y must belongs to set B, and also write relation R in roster form. So first of all we have set A having element 1, 2, 3, 5 and set B having element 4, 6 and 9. Now let's find A into B. So A into B will be 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9. Similarly 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. Now we have relation R where we have two value x and y and difference between x and y is odd where x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Now let's find the relation or the product where we have difference between x and y is equal to odd. So here we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. If we see the difference between y and x is equal to 3 which is odd, so this product will include in our relation. So relation R is equal to 1 and 4. Now 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Here also we have difference in odd, so our second value of relation R is 1 and 6. Here difference between y and x is 8 which is even, so we will not take this value, directly come to this. Now we have 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. We can see that difference between value of x and y is equal to odd, so we will take 2 and 9. Now here value of x is 3 and value of y is 6. The difference between this is 3 which is odd, so we will take this value. Now we can see that difference between 3 and 4 is 1 which is also odd, so we will take 3 and 4 also. Similarly we will take 5 and 4 and 5 and 6. Now we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 product to satisfy our relation, and this is our answer. Question 4. The given figure shows a relationship between the set P and set Q. Write this relation in set builder form and roster form, and also write what is domain and what is range. So according to question we have set P having element 5, 6, 7 and set Q having element 3, 4 and 5. Here we can see that value of Q is 2 less than the value of P in every case. So in this case our relation R will be, we have two value x and y where value of y is equal to x minus 2 and x must belongs to set P. So here we can see that the value of x must belongs to P, that is value of x will be 5, 6 and 7, and if we write value of x equal to 5, then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and if we write value of x is equal to 6, then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and if we write value of x is equal to 7, then 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So this is our relation in set builder form. Now let's write this relation in roster form. So accordingly we have 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Now, what is domain and what is range? We know first value of every relation is called domain. So here domain is 5, 6 and 7, and range is the second value of any relation, that is 3, 4, 5 in this case. Question 5. Let set A having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and R be the relation on A defined by two element AB, where AB belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R and range of R. So in this question we have set A having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and relation R, where B is exactly divisible by A, where AB belongs to A. Now our relation R will contain total 12 value, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. Here we can see that value of B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, which is divisible by A, that is 1. Now we will directly take 2, 2 rather than 2, 1, as value of B in this case will be 1, which is not divisible by 2. So we will directly come to 2, 2. Then directly come to 2, 4, as 4 is divisible by 2, and the mid value, that is 2, 3, we will not take, as 3 is not divisible by 2, and then directly come to 2, 6. Similarly take 3, 3, as 3 is divisible by 3, then 3, 6. We will not take 1, 2 and 4 in place of B, as these values are not divisible by 3. Now take 4, 4 and 6, 6 similarly. Now what is domain and what is range in this case? We know the first value of any relation are called domain and first value of any relation are called range. So here domain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, and range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Question 6. Determine the domain and range of relation R, where relation R is x and x plus 5, where x belongs to set where element is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here relation R is equal to 0 and 5, as we have two value x and x plus 5. So if we will take value of x is equal to 0, so x plus 5 is, that is 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Similarly if we will take first value x equal to 1, then 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 2, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Similarly 3, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 4, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So this is our relation, and here domain is the first value of relation, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and range is the second value of relation, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question 7. Write relation R in roster form such that we have two value x and x cube, where x is prime number less than 10. So we know prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, and here prime number less than 10 is 2, 3, 5 and 7, as these are the only number less than 10 which is divisible by 1 and itself. So in this case our relation R will equal to 2 and 2 to the power 3, that is 8, 3 and 3 to the power 3, that is 27, 5 and 125, 7 and 343, and here domain is 2, 3, 5 and 7, and range is 8, 27, 125, 343. Question 8. Let set A having element xyz and set B having element 1 and 2. Find the number of relation from A to B. Since we know if we have number of element in set A is equal to Q and number of element in set B is equal to P, then number of element in set A into B will equal to P into Q, and number of relation of set A and B will equal to 2 to the power P and Q. So here in this case number of element in set A is equal to 3 and number of element in set B is equal to 2, then number of element in set A into B is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6, and therefore number of relation of set A and B will equal to 2 to the power 6, that is 64. Question 9. In this question we have relation R where we have two values A and B, and AB must belongs to an integer and A minus B is an integer. So find the domain and range of relation R. Since we know difference of any integer will always be integer, therefore in this case domain of this relation will also be an integer and range of this relation will also be an integer.